All right, look at this packaging by DT Pie. This is a dash cam that is really affordable. Right off the bat, the packaging is super nice. This box material, it's kind of like a softer, like a high quality, I don't know, but it feels like a really nice kind of cardboard feel, almost velvety. Next off you have little flaps. It has a really cool design. Looks like their logo right there. Like, was that a man on a parachute? Okay. But besides that, I think there's a little envelope that says more information about their stuff. What you guys came here to see is the camera itself. And it's a nice piece. It's matte black, so no glossy fingerprints or ugliness is gonna happen over there. Comes with a little plastic shroud to protect your lens for now. And you also get this little button right here. It's like a little keychain or wherever you want to put it to take snapshots of. That's awesome. Additional wires are in here. USBs and so forth. But yeah, here's the main unit. Let's get this in focus. Here's the main unit. It comes with a speaker, and I believe there's a capacitors in here too. So when you turn off something, it's not gonna instantly power off. It's gonna hold power for a while. This is where you put the micro SD card. But yeah, an awesome product, and the packaging is just really nice. Plan of attack is obviously route the wire, so it's nice and neat all the way over here, back down, and then there's a USB cable that I have in the glove box. Most likely we're gonna have to take this piece off right here. Don't know how. Should be pretty easy. I ran wires over here previously. It looks kind of messy, but I'm tucking everything in, so gotta make it look nice. So the cigarette lighter that usually is right here, basically took it apart so I can have it hidden stealth. That way I can power it on without any issues. The wire fished through here, coming outside this little metal box. This is the other side, and I'm just pretty much tucking it all the way up. It's pretty easy on this car. Alright, so I tucked all the wires underneath this little compass thing where the home link wires usually go, and I just pretty much tucked the wires all the way over into this loop. It goes right here, crosses, and I still haven't finished wiring it all the way, but it's really stealthy. It just looks so clean the way I did it. Alright, so the dash cam is installed. It's actually, so again, to recap, it's really easy to install this. It's usually just power it up, hook up the USB to that. Now I'm making it look nice and clean. Now that's a different story. So I got it nice and clean wrapped up. Your boy doing it big, making it look so OEM. It actually looks more OEM than the home link mirror. See, now this is running through a little protector trim. I mean, look at the home link mirror, man. You can see a little exposed wire. Your boy's dash cam install looks better than OEM. It just looks clean. When you're driving, look at that. Can't even see the dash cam. And when you're outside the car, you can barely see it too. So let's get that going. Nice and stealth. You can't even see it. There's just too much. The adhesive is like right here. And the camera, it blends in so well that you can't even really tell. So let's look at the apps. So here is the app. You have camera. Let's punch in a little bit. You have camera on the road, which is like a social media, like what other people see. You got your albums. You got me, which you can adjust your settings and stuff. You can connect to a camera. So let's go connect to the camera. Go to the camera. I believe you just hit this play button. So it connects to their camera through Wi-Fi, kind of like GoPro. So now you have the view of my dash. Can you do landscape? Yes, you can. You can see my phone within the camera. Nice. You can take pictures. Ooh. You can take pictures, and you also have this little button it came with. If you are inclined to press, you can take pictures with this button too. It's up to you. But it does auto record video the whole time. Now looking at more at the menu, let's see if we can get this bad boy in focus. Under settings, now this is where the meat and potatoes are. Camera settings. John's WRX, obviously. Now you can set the camera volume to 50 to 100%. I set it to 50. You can probably turn it up. I can barely even hear it. Can you guys hear that? That's through the speaker of that unit. So if there's any notifications or anything, it will tell you right there. So we turned it up to 57%. Video with snapshot, so when you click on the button, it like basically puts a little time holder. Let's just see what's under advanced settings. I mean, I would want date and time displayed. Startup sound is kind of annoying. It's like DD Pi, blah blah blah. Every time you turn on your car. If it was some kind of Japanese voice, that would have been cool. But it's some Chinese voice. So here's the dash cam. Oh wait, you can't see it. Boom. There's the dash cam. It's been running really good. It's had no weird beeping or any weird sounds coming out of it. It's been quiet and super incognito that I haven't really noticed that I had it, which is what I really wanted. Now the footage is definitely pretty sharp for the price. I didn't think it would be that clean for the price it was going for. Links in the description on where you can get it from their main site, or even Amazon, they have it too. But it's been super nice and there's really no complaints. And what's more important is it gives me a lot of peace of mind when I'm driving, just in case, you know, someone hits me or tries to pretend like, you know, runs into my car. I have that kind of footage to stop that kind of shenanigans. But other than that, it's been real good, real good. So that concludes it. Peace out. You guys definitely should get it. There's no reason not to get it. It's cheap, it's clean, it's a no-brainer. Peace out.